Artistry Time Defiance Intensive Repair Serum, exclusively from Artistry.
Right now, we're going to show you what these people have discovered. In just 14 nights, you will see a noticeable improvement in your skin. It's an improvement that is clear and visible. Intensive Repair Serum gives you revolutionary results. It's not just a cosmetic. It's a breakthrough restorative skincare product that reverses the visible signs of aging. The loss of youthful-looking, luminous skin? Experience a clinically proven 261% improvement in skin clarity. The appearance of fine lines? Reduced by up to 99%. And the smooth feel that you enjoyed in youth? Discover it again with an 83% improvement in skin smoothness.